Hi everybody, how you doing today? Time for another 5-minute tutorial on tips and tricks in PowerDirector. I have version 15, but this should work in other editing software such as Sony, Adobe, etc. I've created a playlist, PowerDirector Editing Software Tips and Tricks, where all of these tutorials will reside on my Studio David channel on YouTube. Here is where you will find other videos that I may mention as precursors to the video you're watching today. Alright, I've got a file path update here for you. This is in regards specifically to the PowerDirector program file project file. In my folder structure video, I showed you that I had a folder over here called folder structure, the event, and within that resided everything that I needed to make a video project. So I would copy this folder, paste it in my videos folder, rename it, and then within that resided everything that I needed for my current project. I've been making some changes in some of my templates, adding different text and different effects and such. And I was doing that within this event folder in the program file subfolder that I had. When I went back and opened up one of my long-term projects and opened up that template program file, the changes were not reflected there. I'm guessing when I was copying this program file from one folder to another, the program file, project file, became its own separate entity with it residing in a different folder. When I opened up that template program file, it was the older version. It was complete. It had the pictures and the mini movies because the file path within that program file was still pointing to the folder where those pictures and videos resided. So that being the case, in the folder structure here under my event folder, I still have project files. That is now blank. And I have taken all the project files into a folder called project files here on my desktop, and that is where they will reside now, my templates, and I will just open them from there, use them as I need, and then save them to the project files in the event specific folder. And one bonus tip here today, in case you did not realize, you can resize these windows in PowerDirector, including the timeline. See how much room that gave you there? Now, you don't need to save this. This will remain the same across the platform no matter what program file you open up. So I'll close this one out, go to the next one. And here we see the scale is the same. That wraps it up for this tutorial. Hope you guys can take some of this information and use it to your benefit. Thank you very much.